Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of our bodies. Have you ever wondered how your body stays in tip-top shape, even when the world outside is constantly changing and throwing new challenges at you? The answer is homeostasis. It's a big word, but it means something pretty simple. Keeping things balanced inside. It's like your body's way of making sure everything runs smoothly. Imagine your body is like a tightrope walker. To stay upright, the tightrope walker needs to keep their balance, constantly adjusting to every little wobble. Every step requires precision and focus. That's what your body does every second of every day. It's always working behind the scenes, making tiny adjustments to keep you balanced and healthy. Homeostasis is how your body keeps its internal environment stable, kind of like a cozy indoor swimming pool. The water stays just right no matter what's happening outside. No matter how hot or cold it gets outside, the pool stays at a comfortable temperature. Your body does the same, maintaining a perfect balance. It's happening right now, even as you're reading this. Your body is constantly at work, keeping everything in check. Pretty cool, right? Why is homeostasis so important? Well, imagine your body as a delicate flower. Just like a flower needs the right amount of sunlight and water to thrive, your cells need the perfect internal environment to work their best. Homeostasis makes sure your cells have the ideal temperature, the right amount of sugar for energy, and just the right balance of fluids. It's like creating the perfect recipe for a healthy and happy you. Without homeostasis, your body would be like a house of cards. One wrong move and everything falls apart. So, next time you're feeling good, remember to thank your amazing body for being a master of balance. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing things homeostasis regulates. It's truly fascinating how our bodies maintain balance without us even thinking about it. First up, temperature. Just like Goldilocks and her porridge, your body likes its temperature just right, around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. This precise regulation is crucial for our enzymes and bodily functions to work optimally. Too hot, your body sweats to cool down. Sweating helps release heat through evaporation, keeping your core temperature stable. But too cold, you shiver to warm up. Shivering generates heat through muscle activity, helping to raise your body temperature back to a safe level. It's like magic, but it's just your body doing its thing. This constant adjustment ensures that you stay comfortable and healthy. Next, let's talk about blood sugar. Maintaining the right blood sugar levels is essential for energy and overall health. Sugar, or glucose, is like fuel for your cells. When you eat, your body breaks down food into glucose, which is then absorbed into your bloodstream. Homeostasis makes sure there's always enough glucose in your blood to keep your energy levels up, but not too much that it becomes harmful. Insulin plays a key role in this process, helping cells absorb glucose and keeping your blood sugar levels balanced. Finally, let's dive into water balance. Water is vital for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. Your body needs water like a fish needs, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Homeostasis makes sure you have the right amount of fluids to stay hydrated and keep everything running smoothly. It's a delicate balance that keeps you feeling your best every day. Homeostasis might seem complicated, but it's all about teamwork. Think of it like a relay race with three key players: receptors, control centers, and effectors. First, we have the receptors, the body's sensors. They're like tiny detectives that constantly monitor your internal environment, looking for any changes. Next, we have the control centers, like the brain and spinal cord. They receive information from the receptors and decide what needs to be done to maintain balance. Finally, we have the effectors, the muscles and glands that carry out the control center's orders. They're like the body's action heroes, making adjustments to keep everything in check. Section 5. Feedback loops, the body's thermostat. In this section, we will explore how our bodies maintain a stable internal environment. But how does the body know when to make adjustments? Our bodies are equipped with intricate systems that constantly monitor internal conditions. That's where feedback loops come in. These loops are essential for maintaining homeostasis or balance within the body. Think of a thermostat. It turns the heater on when it's too cold and off when it's warm enough. This is a simple example of a feedback loop in action. Your body has two main types of feedback loops, negative and positive. Each type plays a crucial role in different physiological processes. Negative feedback loops are like the thermostat. They work to reverse any changes and bring things back to normal. They are the body's way of maintaining stability. For example, if your body temperature gets too high, a negative feedback loop kicks in to cool you down. This might involve sweating to release heat. Positive feedback loops, on the other hand, amplify changes. They are less common but equally important, like when you get a cut and your blood clots to stop the bleeding. This process ensures that the body can quickly respond to injury and prevent excessive blood loss. Section 6. When homeostasis goes haywire, health problems. Homeostasis is pretty amazing, right? But sometimes things can go wrong. When homeostasis is disrupted, it can lead to health problems. For example, diabetes happens when the body can't regulate blood sugar levels properly. High blood pressure or hypertension is another example of what happens when homeostasis is out of whack. That's why it's so important to take care of your body and help it maintain its delicate balance. Section 7. Keeping your balance, tips for healthy homeostasis. So, what can you do to be a friend to your homeostasis? It's all about making healthy choices. Eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough sleep are like giving your body the tools it needs to maintain its internal balance. Regular exercise is another great way to keep your homeostasis happy. Remember, a healthy body is a balanced body. Section 8. Homeostasis, your body's amazing balancing act. That's homeostasis in a nutshell. From regulating your temperature to balancing your fluids, it's the behind-the-scenes magic that keeps your body running smoothly. So next time you marvel at a tightrope walker's incredible balance, remember the amazing balancing act happening inside of you every second of the day. It's pretty amazing, don't you think? Stay curious, science fans.